Hello everyone. How to fix the error? There is less than 1 gigabyte of hard disk space available. Free up more disk space in 3 ways. You will find this problem when you are recording some video or doing some you need more space for graphics, for drawing, for manipulating videos or montage. Okay, so follow me. First of all, we go to the drive C because this problem is according to the drive C. Okay, and in drive C we will click right click and select properties. And then click disk cleanup. This is the first way. So the download program file, temporary internet files, and recycle bin files and thumbnails. We will select them and click OK, and then delete files. This is the first way. So the first way is select the C where the system Windows 10 or Windows 11 is installed, and clean it during this way. The second way is to going to the storage setting. So in the search storage setting, and from storage setting here we will wait until it calculates where the files are found. So we will select then the temporary files, and from temporary files we will select the recycle files, recycle bin files and thumbnails and the temporary files, and delete them. Okay, so we are waiting it for calculate and find all the files in this temporary file. So these are the storage of the C drive. Now it calculated the file and found the files, and these files are now it's 6.18 gigabyte. So we click here on the temporary files, and then here we will select the temporary internet files and the thumbnails and the temporary files. Don't select the downloads. Okay, so apps can store temporary file information in specific folders. This can be cleaned up manually if the app does not do it automatically. Okay, so now press remove this file. Now it's okay. Okay, so the third way is to go and delete some files from downloads and transfer it to some file like these files. You can select some and select cut, and then go to somewhere there is some area like in D. Okay, and then or E, and then create new file here. This is the third way. And downloads, name this file downloads of 2023, and then paste this file here. Then right click and paste this file here. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe in the channel to reach every new video we upload in the channel, and to encourage us to continue, write a good comment to encourage us, and like the video, and don't forget for share this video with others if you like it, to go inside or to reach the search engine like Google, Bing, and Yahoo, and to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching this video.